interrupted with the swresample-2 library DLL blocking FFmpeg workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. As we prepare to resolve swresample-2 library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the swresample-2 library, the FFmpeg Software Resampler library, v2. It manages localized unmanaged audio conversion, including localized sample rate changes, channel mixing, and localized bit format conversions. Essential for localized media players to output synchronized audio. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Errors involving swresample-2 library DLL typically suggest that the FFmpeg files within your host software are truncated or missing, and a fresh installation of that program is the best way to fix the internal directory. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered swresample-2 library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Keep in mind that swresample-2 library DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining a swresample-2 library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved swresample-2 library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.